everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sarika and you're watching Creative Sarika. So today's video is kind of special because I have made long videos on each and every points. So if you want to see in details about these points, you can check out my other YouTube videos. And yeah, these are very much important because the people who are successful and not only successful but happy and wealthy, they follow these 7 rules. So if you want to know what are they, then let's dive into the video. So the first point is make peace with your past so it won't mess with your present. That means that whatever happened in your past, yeah, fold the paper, fold the memory and keep it safe in your memory, but don't reopen it every time you feel sad and depressed, you opening it, reading it again like that. No, suppress it in your mind. Whatever happened, happened. You cannot change it, right? You cannot change the fact, whatever happened, right? What you can do is control on what you can. The future, the present. Future is like future. You cannot, like, it's a result. But in your present, what are you doing in your present? That depends on you. Completely you. You are taking a pen in your hand, making your own future, or you're crying on like your past. It completely depends on you. Okay? I have told this point in my previous videos that what you cannot change, you don't need to worry about that because you cannot change, right? What you can change, let's focus on that. Okay guys, now what are you doing right now? I know you are watching my video, but are you distracted by any chance? And like you are studying, you feel like scrolling on your phone, you took and you came across my video and that's why you're scrolling, like getting some motivation when you are trying to convert your potential energy and study. Actually you can't. That's your problem. So instead of stressing about your past and overthinking about it, you can actually focus on the present. Like, why can't I study? Let's start with a book and start with reading one line of the book, right? You can change it. You can change your future by focusing on your present, not the past. Past is past. It's gone. It won't come back again, right? So here comes the next point, that is time heals everything. You are in pain, you are sad, you are depressed, you're in your room, no one is understanding your situation, no one is actually getting you, no one is sitting by you and listening to you, what happened to you, no one is caring about you, right? And you are sad, depressed, lonely and suffering. But listen to me, dear. One time when you are successful, everything will change. You will never be lonely anymore. You will never be, sad, depressed, anxiety, and anything that is harming you, that is making you suffer right now. You won't be facing it that time because everything needs time. In this phase, it's your learning phase. You are learning how to get out of your comfort zone, how to face struggles. It's your time, it's your youth to struggle. And God is giving you struggles like it's pre-planned, okay? Like how God planned to give you struggles, He will also give you happiness. So wait for it. Someone special, like some people special will come in your life and you will be in a very happy place by you yourself. If you can bring changes in yourself, if you can evolve yourself, like if you can improve yourself, improve your marks, improve your like standard of living, you will be much more happier. You just need to find your way out. You have the key hidden in one of your pocket. Once you find the right pocket where the key is, you can unlock the door to happiness very, very easily. Third point is what others think about you is none of your business. This is the biggest point, like a biggest thing to learn in your life, because everyone literally make these mistakes that we usually think about. What will others say if I do this? What will others say if I pick this career? If I, choose a stream, like I am in humanities and I'm being bullied for that because why not science? Why not commerce like others? It's my choice. It's completely my choice, whatever I do. I do not care what other people say. What will people say if you choose another career rather than being an engineer, doctor, lawyer, and the stereotype careers? If you do not take this and go for being a YouTuber or dancer, singer, artist, What will people say? This is the main thing we always hear, like always think about. Let's not care about others because it's your life. You know how to lead it. You are meant to know how you want to lead it, right? No one else can lead your life, because at the end of your life it's just you and your life. Because when your life will come to an end, you will just regret, because the whole life you have listened to others instead of you. You have never listened to your inner child. What he wanted, what she wanted, you have never listened to it. People are there to criticize. People are always there to criticize about you, pull out those negative, like weak points of you, and criticize you, insult you. But you become like the, your society, the people surrounded by you, and if you criticize yourself, what is the difference between you and the next person, the opposite person? You are hurting yourself, they are also hurting yourself. Who will save you? No one. No one. Even you are also not saving yourself, are you? No, right? Your inner child is getting hurt and you are pushing them more, like, yeah, insult him. Why do you care about them so much? Are they paying your bills? Are they taking care of you? Of course not. And are they supporting you, sitting by your side when you're crying, when you're depressed, anxiety and everything, surrounded by you? Are they there? No, right? They're not there. They're no one to you, because after death we don't know anyone. If we shift from this place to another place, we don't know these people. We don't know them. Okay. Make yourself the first priority. Make your inner child the first priority. The next point is, don't compare your life with anyone else. Like, even if you're rich, even if you're poor, do not compare yourself with others, because you have not wore that shoes which others are wearing. You have not faced those struggles that others are facing. So if you are criticizing others by watching them happy, and if you're envy of them, jealous of them, life is only one. Everyone deserves to be happy, right? You are also wanting to be happy, and if you see the other person is sad about like you being happy, you will also feel sad about it, right? You won't be happy, right? So do not compare with others. Like, if you are comparing yourself with others in a happy way, like in a good way, and getting encouraged by their success, like, yeah, she did it, I should talk to her, I should know, like I should get inspired by her and take that competition as a motivation, it's good. But if you're taking this as a negative point and getting depressed by it, like, how could she do it and not me, then it's a bad thing. Let's be happy, accept others, like, accept their happiness, that yes, I am happy when they are happy, I'm sad when they are sad. If you keep this as your mentality, it's very good. You'll be happy and lead a positive competition, and it's really good. Competition is needed everywhere, whether it's in school, in work, and anywhere, it's really needed. Next point is, stop thinking so much. It's okay if you don't know the answer. Sometimes there is a phase in our life when you don't know where are you, what are you doing in life, and you are just sitting and thinking and getting stressed about it, and everything is happening in your life, you don't know what to do next, right? Keep something in God's hand. Keep something, like, whenever you're getting stressed about things and you don't know, like, anyhow you're trying to come up with a solution but you cannot eventually, then keep it to God. God is always there as your guardian. You do not need to take all the pressures of the world on your head and stress about it. So closer you will get, the problems will be more clearer in front of your eyes, because you have given all your problems to think about to God. God will think about your problems, will give you a solution and everything. Just don't stress about things. Sixth point is, no one is in charge of your happiness. You're happy or not, you are taking care of you or not, if you are eating your food or not, when you are an adult, then no one is there to take care of you. And if you're expecting someone to take care of you, then you're wrong. Everyone is individual. Everyone is individual in this world, and you are the one who thinks about yourself first. And if you're not doing it, you're in the wrong place. You need to change yourself. You need to think about yourself first, because in this life we are here to enjoy, not to struggle. Whoever says this, like the world is a place to struggle, it's completely wrong. It's a place to hard work with happiness, giving yourself priority. And the most sinner is not a murderer. A murderer is not doing the most sin. Most sinner is the person who is not leading their life happily, like who is living his life for others. And when you will be answerable to God after your death, you will be considered as the most sinner person, because in your whole life you didn't think about your happiness. The whole life you are busy thinking about others. Okay, so please, your happiness is in your hands. You decide whether to be happy or not. You are not here to struggle, as I said in my previous point, that all the problems, you don't have all the problems. See other people, they're handling so easily, right? They're handling with like a pro. And it's not like you're noob in this world, you are here and you cannot struggle, you cannot live a hard life. No. You just need to smile, nothing else. Your smile is beautiful if you show it to others. People will be more kind if they see you smiling in joy, even if so much pain, they will be proud of you, you know. Whatever comes, whatever problems come in front of you, and you just need to smile and handle it. Embrace your problems, okay? Chill, like, yeah, I can do it. It's nothing in front of me. I am the superhero. I'm the superhero. I can handle everything, okay? My viewers are superheroes. That was the 7 point. Those were very important for you to know. If you like my video, then don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I hope you understand each and every point I said. And if you want to suggest anything, you can always suggest in the comment section. I will be very glad. And see you in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself and bye-bye.